Good afternoon, my dear students. Myself, Dr. Girish Goyal, Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy, School of Agriculture, IIT University, Gwalior. Students, I hope you all are good and stay at home safely. मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी लोग घर पे होंगे, अच्छे होंगे, सुरक्षित होंगे. Students, today I am going to start our subject Rabi crop production for BSc Agriculture 7th semester, batch B. Students, I will introduce all content one by one, and first cropping system, intercropping, manure and fertilizers, seasons, varieties, development, local adaptation, water management, weed management and pest management, harvesting, yield, outlines, then references. Okay, so students, before starting the topic, I want to telling you about some introduction of moong bean crop. Okay, so students, introduction जनरली आई देखते हैं, इंट्रोडक्शन जानने की कोशिश करते हैं हम लोग. ओके, तो स्टूडेंट्स, इससे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बॉटनिकल नेम ऑफ मूंग बीन यानी ग्रीन ग्राम, उसे हम ग्रीन ग्राम भी बोलते हैं, विग्ना रेडिटा. ओके, फैमिली कौन सी है? लेग्यूम्स. ओके, ओरिजिन इंडियन एंड सेंट्रल एशिया. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, इंट्रोडक्शन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ग्रीन ग्राम इज आल्सो कॉल्ड मूंग बीन और उर्द बीन इज मूंग और उर्द बीन इज हिंदी और गोल्डन ग्राम in English. Students, its name is derived from the Sanskrit word mungda. It is the most important pulses crop of Asia, especially India, due to variety in its use. Students, it can be used as dry roasted grain, cooked grain and sprouted grain, or after develing as moong dal. Students, the moong sprouted are the special significance in most of Asian cookery. Besides its variety of culinary use, its moong bean starch is used to prepare cauliflower noodle of or jelly in many Asian countries like Korea, Japan, China. Students, it is a rich source of protein 24% and high fiber 16%, starch 62%. And students, beside containing B3, B5 and B9 as well as calcium 132 mg upon 100 gram and magnesium 189 gram upon 100 mg 189 mg upon 100 gram. It is significant and nitrogen fixing crop in and included the most sequential system due to its short duration. It is also a popular intercrop due to its uncompetitive nature in most systems. Its dry stover as well as green plant in rich in protein and useful cattle feed. It can also be used a green manure crop. Students, green gram is an excellent source of high quality protein. Moong consumed as whole grain sprouted for the as well as dal in a variety of way in homes. Students, it is also used as green manuring crop. Moong can be used as a feed for cattle. Even husk of the seed can be soaked in water and used as cattle feed. In India, these crops are cultivated in three different seasons like Kharif, Rabi and summer. Students, summer moong can be grow after harvesting of pea, gram, potato, mustard, linseed. Students, cultivation of Jayad moong is important to increase soil fertility in these areas where paddy, wheat crop rotation is used. Okay, so students, this is in general introduction of moong bean crop. Okay, so students, नेक्स्ट हम लोग देखते हैं नेक्स्ट हमारा कंटेंट. स्टूडेंट्स, क्रॉपिंग सिस्टम. ओके, so students, cropping system. Students, green gram is compatible with the most crops in intercropping, mixed cropping, relay and sequential systems. Due to its short duration, seasonal adaptability, nitrogen fixing ability, as well as its non-dominant nature. Students, some popular sequential systems are like maize, wheat, gram, potato, wheat, green gram, jowar, green gram, wheat. Students, important crops grow along with green gram in mixed system are pigeon pea, sorghum, permillet, and maize, while some crops like sugarcane, cotton, groundnut, sunflower, and sesame are grow as intercrop. So student, this is cropping system. नेक्स्ट कंटेंट है हमारा इंटर क्रॉपिंग. स्टूडेंट्स, ड्यूरिंग खरीफ सीजन मूंग बीन आर ग्रो जनरली विथ मेज, परमिलेट, pigeon pea and cotton as intercrop. Students, during spring mung bean is grow in 2:1 ratio with sugar cane with row to row distance of 90 centimeter apart, and from mung bean 30 centimeter distance. Maintain intercropping with sunflower is also suitable with ratio 2:6. So this is intercropping. Students, next है हमारा manure and fertilizer. Okay, so students, mung bean is generally grow on the basis fertility of soybean is available 8 से 10 tons of compost or FIM farmyard manure should be applied before 10 days of sowing. Students, for mung bean 15 से 20 kg nitrogen and 30 से 40 kg phosphorus should be applied at sowing time. Students, it is advisable to use the fertilizer on the basis of soil test and recommendation. Normally 100 kg DAP per hectare is not for 1 hectare. The fertilizer should be applied by drilling either the time of sowing or just before sowing in such a way that they are placed about 2 to 3 centimeter below the seed. So students, this is manure and fertilizer. Next is season. Students, there are different type of season like kharif, rabi and late rabi and summer season. So first of all, kharif season. Students, kharif season mid-June to first week of July followed throughout the country. This is kharif season. Next, rabi season. Students, adopted in monsoon follows or irrigated follow in the third week of October to first week of November, grow on stored moisture about irrigation. So this is rabi season. Next, late rabi season. Students, sown as relay crop in standing crop of rice in peninsular India between December to January end. So this is late rabi season. Next, summer season. Students, sown either as sole crop third week of March to second week of April or as relay crop in standing crop the wheat April to May. So this is summer crop. Okay students, next content है हमारा water management. Students, generally the kharif crop requires one life-saving irrigation which may be applied during the yearly pod formation stage. For the summer spring mung bean 3 to 4 irrigation are required. Apply first irrigation after 20-25 days of sowing. Students, and repeat after 10 to 15 days per need. One irrigation before flowering and another at pod filling stage would ensure healthy seeds. Students, waterlogging in the field should be avoided at all cost. No irrigation should be given when the crop is in full bloom stage. So this is water management. Next, students, weed management. Students, 2 weeding should be given to keep the crop free from harmful weeds. First weeding should be done 20 to 15 days and second 40 to 45 days. Use पेंटीमेथिलीन एट द रेट 0.75 से 1 kg that is per hectare and 400-600 liter of water a pre-emergence application. Students, always flat nozzle is used during spraying of weedicide. Okay, so this is weed management. Next, students, disease and pest management. So students, there are different type of disease and pest management, like first yellow mosaic, second leaf spot, third is seed and seedling root, and next charcoal root, and leaf curl, gillicide beetle, and leaf hopper and रेड हेरी कैटरपिलर. स्टूडेंट्स, वन बाई वन मैं एक एक करके आपको बताऊंगा. ठीक है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल येलो मोज़ेक वायरस. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, yellow mosaic virus, it is a serious disease in North India characterized by diffused yellow spot expanding to dot patches and later turn completely yellow, resulting in yield loss. Students, it can be controlled by the use of resistant variety like ASA PDM 11 ml 3337 or spray of 0.1% methoxystox plus 0.1% malathion 2 times at the rate 10 days interval. So this is yellow mosaic virus. Okay, next students, leaf spot. Students, leaf spot, it can be caused by fungi. The farmer causes gray central round spot of violet red color on leaf spot, while the latter causes dark brown circle spots and later developing and concentric rings. Both diseases can be controlled by the spray of Mancozeb of Chyme at the rate 2 kg per 1000 liter. Students, next is seed and seedling root. Okay, seed root कहलाए, seedling root कहलाए, same. Students, seedling root or young seedling or root and fail to germinate or emerging from the range of fungi. It can be controlled by treating the seed by carbendazim at the rate 2.5 ग्राम पर kg. सीड के हिसाब से हम लोग इसको सॉइल में हम लोग इसमें कर सकते हैं सीड ट्रीटमेंट. ठीक है ना, सीड में सीड ट्रीटमेंट हम लोग सीड के साथ कर सकते हैं. फिर नेक्स्ट है स्टूडेंट चारकोल रूट. ओके, so students, charcoal root. Students, symptoms include rooting of roots and stem immediately above the soil within 1 month of sowing. The plant dies due to these symptoms. It can be controlled by treating the seed with 0.25% Vesaclor and by maintaining the crop rotation. So this is a charcoal root. Next, students, leaf curl. Initial symptom including yellowing and margin, which later curl downward the venue showing reddish brown discoloration, typically standing the growth. Students, it can be controlled by the spraying 0.1% methoxystox के हिसाब से हम लोग स्प्रे कर सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, फिर नेक्स्ट है हमारा gillicide beetle. Students, typical circular holes are seen on leaves while insect feed on during the night and heal during night. Students, it can be controlled by soil application of forate at the rate 10 kg per hectare. हिसाब से हम लोग कंट्रोल सॉइल में मतलब मिक्सचर हम लोग कर सकते हैं सॉइल में. ठीक है. फिर स्टूडेंट नेक्स्ट है हमारा लीफ हॉपर. स्टूडेंट्स, both of them suck the shape and reduce the photosynthesis. Students, but former appears on the lower surface and causes curling and eggs. Students, while the latter resulting into crimpling of leaves, they can be controlled by spraying of monocrotophos at the rate 1 ml per liter. So this is leaf hopper. Next students, red hairy caterpillar. मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है स्टूडेंट. इसमें से हमारा येलो मोज़ेक हुआ, लीफ स्पॉट हुआ, सीडलिंग रूट हुआ. ठीक है, और हमारे लीफ कर्ल हुआ, चारकोल रूट भी और रेड हेरिकल, ये हमारे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हैं. ठीक है ना स्टूडेंट्स. इट कैन बी ईट्स अवे द आइदर ग्रीन मैटर ऑफ यंग लीव्स causing serious losses. It can be controlled by dusting 2% Maths stock dust at the rate 20 से 25 kg per hectare. When caterpillar are young and spraying 0.15% methyl when they are grow up. Students, this is red hairy caterpillar. Okay. Next है हमारा हार्वेस्टिंग, थ्रेसिंग एंड स्टोरेज. So students, moong wool should be harvested when more than 80% pods mature. Students, one or two rounds or picking of pods are also recommended to avoid losses due to shattering. The plant are cut with the sickle and dried on the threshing floor. Students, these are the threshing by beating the stick or by trampling with picking. Students, the clean seed should be sun dried for 3 to 4 days to bring their moisture content at 8 to 10% to safely store in appropriate piles. So this is harvesting, threshing and storage. Next, students, yield. Okay. So students, a well managed crop as indicate above may produce 8 to 10 quintal and in mixed crop yield 3 to 5 quintals grain per hectare. Students, in rainy season crop produce 8 to 10 quintal per hectare and in summer crops produce 12 to 15 quintal per hectare. In mixed cropping 3 to 5 quintal per hectare. So this is yield. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स हमारे आउटलाइंस क्या इसका देखते हैं आउटलाइन. स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट है हमारा डीप समर प्लाइंग वंस इन 3 years. ओके. सेकेंड है सीड ट्रीटमेंट शुड बी डन बिफोर सोइंग. हम लोग सोइंग से पहले सीड ट्रीटमेंट करें. थर्ड है एप्लीकेशन ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर शुड बी बेस्ड ऑन सॉइल टेस्ट वैल्यू. हम लोग को सोइंग से पहले सॉइल टेस्टिंग करें और पता करें कौन कौन से हमारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स की कमी, फर्टिलाइजर की न्यूट्रिएंट की कमी है, उसको हम अप्लाई करें, पूर्ति करें उसकी. नेक्स्ट है इन खरीफ सीजन सोइंग शुड बी डन बाय राइज एंड फॉरो मेथड्स. ओके. नेक्स्ट है येलो मोज़ेक रेजिस्टेंट टोलेंट वेराइटीज नरेंद्र मूंग 1, पंत मूंग 3, PDM 139, PDM 11. दे आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सीड चूज एज पर सुटेबिलिटी ऑफ रीजन के हिसाब से हम लोग मतलब जो वैरायटी है वो हम लोग सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, वीट कंट्रोल शुड बी डन एट राइट टाइम. स्टूडेंट, सही समय पर हमको वीट कंट्रोल करना है, चाहे वो केमिकल कंट्रोल हो, मैकेनिकल हो या बायोलॉजिकल हो, कल्चर कोई भी हो, हमको जो भी वीट कंट्रोल यूज करना है सही समय पर करना है. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, एडोप्ट इंटीग्रेटिव अप्रोच फॉर प्लांट प्रोटेक्शन. ओके. फॉर टेक्निकल इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन प्लीज़ कॉन्टैक्ट टू डिस्ट्रिक्ट KVK एंड नियरेस्ट KVK. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हमको कोई भी टेक्निकल इन्फॉर्मेशन लेना है तो हम लोग अपने नियरेस्ट KVK यानी कृषि विज्ञान केंद्र या हमारा कोई रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट हो या कृषि विश्वविद्यालय हो, वहाँ पे भी कई सारे डिपार्टमेंट होते हैं, रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट होते हैं, वहाँ पे जाके हम लोग पता कर सकते हैं टेक्निकल इन्फॉर्मेशन किसी प्रोडक्शन के रिगार्डिंग, किसी क्रॉप के रिगार्डिंग, किसी टेक्नोलॉजी के रिगार्डिंग. ठीक है ना. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस टॉपिक इज़ फिनिश. ओके. सो दिस टॉपिक कल्टीवेशन ऑफ मूविंग क्रॉप, इसे हम ग्रीन ग्राम भी बोलते हैं, कन्फ्यूज मत होना. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आपने इसे अच्छे से सुना और आप इसे अच्छे से वीडियो भी सीन करेंगे, देखेंगे, ताकि आप लोगों को और क्लियर हो. इसका आपके लिए LMS पे PPT, लेक्चर नोट्स और वीडियो और वेबिनार, ठीक है, 4 पार्ट्स में हम आपके लिए लेके आते हैं कोई एक टॉपिक. तो आई होप आप इसे अच्छे से पढ़ें. अगर कोई डाउट लगेगा तो मेरे से जरूर पूछिएगा. ठीक है. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.